Chainlink's price increased over 20% in one day. Chainlink confirms cooperation with large banks like JP Morgan. So will Chainlink see even higher price in the near future? In this video I will talk about Chainlink and share my price prediction for the long term and also for the short term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates on coins like Bitcoin, Link and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So guys, we got this really bullish news on Chainlink to cooperate with these larger banking giants. And after we got this news, we increased the price over 28% in 1 week or in less than 1 week. And now this weekly candle is looking really bullish. I also think that this news are very bullish and very promising for Chainlink and for the whole crypto space. And here again you can see a very interesting tweet how Chainlink connects banks and blockchains together. It's very interesting. So for the long term, I'm also really bullish on Chainlink. I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices than the last all-time high in 2021. Of course, we have a large market cap with this 10 billion market cap of Chainlink right now on place 15 of all cryptocurrencies. And if we have a look at the technicals, you can see that after this bearish trend to the downside and this longer accumulation phase down here, we then saw this first interesting breakout out of this supply zone. Chainlink made a new high right here at $22.85 in 2024. Then we saw this retracement back under this supply zone, which was not a really good sign. And then we had this accumulation phase down here on the weekly time frame. But we had this last low right here. And we took the liquidity with this wicks under this lows. And now we are seeing this really bullish weekly time frame candle. And if this candle closes like this or even higher, this is a very bullish sign. Because we came back to the downside again, we took the liquidity and now we are pushing to the upside. This is a really bullish sign. And also on the daily time frame, you can see that we had this line right here, the support area where we came in multiple times. We also came back into this demand zone right here with this wick, but retraced to the upside again. And right now we are leaving this range right here with this bullish news. And now of course the chances is high that we can continue the bullish momentum. And the next very interesting price target is this high right here at $22. And from the price right now to this next interesting price target, we would have potential over 40%. And now it's very interesting that we are seeing this daily close over this last highs right here. And if we're having that, the chance is also high that we can see a pullback to the downside. But it's right now very important that we are not breaking this last lows to the downside again. Because if we are breaking them, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But as long as we are not finding acceptance under this lows and if we are breaking over this ones, then the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum. And again, if we are seeing this weekly close like this or even higher, this would be a very bullish sign for Chainlink. And then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices in the near future. And if we're breaking this last highs to the upside, then the next very interesting price area is this high right here at $28.75. Because from this high, we saw this move to the downside again. And the chance that much liquidity is also laying over this high is very high. So a potential run in the bull run could look like this. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but I think the chance is high that we could see a smaller reaction after this high and this high. And then of course, the next very interesting price target is the all-time high right here for Chainlink. And if you want to copy my short-term leverage trades and my crypto spot buys, then join my exclusive signal group. I'm sharing daily analysis, signals and crypto spot buys and trading education. It's the second link in the description. So all in all guys, Chainlink had some very bullish news. And with this news, we saw this massive bullish push. And also from the technicals, we are right now looking very bullish. And the chance that we could see a breakout out of this accumulation phase is also very high. And if you're looking for a trade, I would wait if we close over this highs. Or if we are ideally seeing a retracement back into this zone. And if we then see a bullish price action, then I think it's a perfect opportunity to get into a long position on Chainlink. Just if we're breaking under this last lows right here and finding acceptance, then the chance is high that you can see even lower levels. And of course, if Bitcoin is going to the downside, the chance is high that altcoins like Chainlink are also going to the downside. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.